Hi! So today is technically the last day of me being a teenager, because being 19 means that you are still a teenager, right? And I am turning 20 tomorrow. I know, not something huge, but of course I'm going to make a huge as hell deal out of it, because of course birthdays matter to me a lot and I matter to myself a lot. But anyway, we have got to study. So we just came back from the common room and we woke up, we came back from the common room, we sleep in the common room, okay? Because रूम में सोया नहीं जाता. अभी मैं बैठी हूँ गर्मी में, कैसे बैठी हूँ आई डोंट नो, बस रिकॉर्ड करने के लिए. And we are going to freshen up and then get back to study room, and we have to study because yesterday we had our sec paper, उसके पहले we had our history of India paper, और दोनों ही बहुत ही ख़राब गया. But it doesn't matter, मैं second year से come back करूँगी. So second year बोलूँगी, मैं third year से come back करूँगी. But anyway, तो हाँ पढ़ना पड़ेगा. So let's start the day. मुझे ना पता है किसी को भी याद नहीं है कि कल मेरा बर्थडे है, एंड दैट इज़ फाइन बिकॉज यू नो बर्थडेज आर अ वेरी पर्सनल एंड प्राइवेट अफेयर टू मी. सो आई वांट देम टू बी विद द पीपल हु जेन्युइनली लव मी एंड नॉट द पीपल जिसको मैंने कभी कुछ कन्वर्सेशन के वास्ते बोल दिया था हाँ इस दिस दिन मेरा बर्थडे है, और उनके साथ मेरी अच्छे से बात भी नहीं होती है. एंड प्रोबेबली दे आर नॉट इवन अ वेल विशर, बट या जस्ट फॉर द सेक ऑफ विशिंग दे आर गोना विश. तो मुझे वो नहीं चाहिए. एनीवे क्या ही बोल रही हो, किसी को भी याद नहीं है मेरा बर्थडे है कल, मुझे पता है. सो I want to study and then I want to go out in the evening to get my dream dress. Not exactly dream dress, but like birthday dress kind of a thing, because कल मेरा कुछ खुद के लिए प्लान है. मतलब सडनली ये स्ट्राइक किया पता है कि I should do something for myself tomorrow. I mean पापा के पैसे से, मम्मी के पैसे से. So yeah, we are gonna do that. But उसके लिए अभी पढ़ाई करनी पड़ेगी, बहुत consistently बहुत पढ़ाई करनी पड़ेगी. So we are ready to do that anyway. Hi, we are going to do shopping right now. I mean, I am going to do shopping right now. I done deep. I जाने वाली हूँ थियोब्रोमा. दे नो कि मैं बाहर आने ही वाली हूँ, पर let's just see. Where can I find the nearest cake shop? I don't know, but I really need to get a cake, and that too pink. Can we just appreciate how I look as a teenager for the last time? I kind of can always believe I'm turning 20 by. First time in my life, I am going to be celebrating my birthday at sharp 12 am. Oh my god. I just hope कोई वो केक चोरी ना कर ले जो मैंने फ्रीज में रखा है, because people have stolen people's birthday cakes. ये बना तो लिया, but ये hang नहीं हो रहा मुझसे. For myself, I will 1000 times over. This is perhaps the best I could do, and also the most that I would do for anyone. So it's fine. कोई मत बोलना कि अजीब लग रहा है, क्योंकि मुझे पता है अजीब लग रहा है. ठीक. As I get ready, let me tell you all, like celebrating birthday at like sharp 12 am has always been my dream. As long as I have been at home, my parents have wished me with so much love at sharp 12. But you know, वो केक कटिंग वाला, कुछ रूम डेकोरेशन वाला एंड ड्रेसिंग अप वाला, वो वाला चीज़ चाहिए था मुझे. सो आई एम गिविंग माई सेल्फ दैट. ऑल्सो बिकॉज जब से मैं हॉस्टल में आई हूँ तब से आई हैव सीन रूममेट सेलिब्रेटिंग बर्थडेज फॉर ईच अदर, or like friends celebrating each other's birthdays. But I don't need anybody to do that for me as long as I have myself, because honestly, who's gonna do so much for me other than me myself, of course. So let's get ready. You all must be wondering, like, how big deal can a person make out of her birthday? Yes, this is me. I love to celebrate myself because I know what I have been through. Only I know that. So yeah, it is all justified to celebrate myself occasionally, and especially I'm turning 20. That is a huge as hell deal, and not just a thing that happens every other day.
many happy returns of the day. রাগটা কমাও। Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
এবার আমি কি করে খাওয়াবো মাকে প্রথম পিস So I finally turned 20 in the presence of the most important people of my life, the people I love the most, in no respective order. And I am so glad I did this little thing for myself. Yeah. Is this outfit giving like birthday? Pinterest, and also going with the decoration I did. Of course, yes. That's the entire plot, isn't it? With love, Devoshmita ko kha liya. না তুমি আমাকে এত কিছু দিলে আর তো কোনো কিছুই দিইনি আমি মাফিন দিলে কিটক্যাট দিলে স্নিকার্স দিলে 5 স্টার দিলে মিল্কি বার দিলে আমি খুব থ্যাঙ্কফুল এইটুকুই আই লাভ ইউ থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ আই লাভ ইউ মোর Say hi. Hello. You're not coming to say hi. 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 Oh. Okay, ছাড়বো I am recording this the next day in the afternoon, and I'm crying because I was just going through the clips of RCB winning last night. Of course, I was watching the match. Of course, the love of my life playing the winning innings, and I was crying. I was in the I was sitting there in the Take Park in front of one of those, I think the creche, and I was crying like a baby. And it is the best birthday gift. I mean, the best birthday gift is, of course, my family, my parents and my sister, but it's the second best birthday gift, okay? Like, oh my god. I have been watching this team, the players, the few people remaining constant, the people changing, the people leaving RCB and still being a part of RCB for what, many years now, for more than 10 years now. And RCB is the team which I hold so close to my heart. Of course, I do to the Indian cricket team, but RCB is something different. It's an entire different level of emotions, and nothing can ever replace that. I mean, each and every player performed so good this time. Last time also, of course. And I am so astonished in a very good way as to how Rajat Patidar just came and changed everything. Thank you, RCB. You have given to Virat Kohli what he really deserves. My man has been through so much. He has been forced to go through so much. But, I totally can relate, because then once you come to a place which gives you the value that you are actually worth of, and you don't have to prove yourself out there. So, yeah, thank you so much to each and every player for making my day a very, very happy one. So with that, that's the end of this vlog. Hope you enjoyed watching me turn 20. Yeah, so I was studying since morning and I have to get back to studying, so bye. I'm gonna edit this video and post it somewhat like later, because abhi kahan pe time hai. And I am so happy because just 2 more weeks and then I'll be going home and exams will be done in 2 weeks. Yeah, let's go. Thank you. With love, Devoshmita.